Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Analyze TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and thank you again for stopping by. If you're new here, guys, I would really appreciate your help if you could please subscribe, hit that notification button, or give me even a thumbs up. That would help very much. Today, guys, I have the review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 Retro. This is the women's exclusive, so it only goes up to size 10.5. This is the satin, the bread colorway and the satin finish. But before we begin, you already know the vibes. You guys gotta check out my website, check out my brand. Go show me love, go show me support. I got stuff for the ladies too. Don't sleep, if you know what I mean. Check out my Instagram at LMNYC. If you want to check out my brand, cop some merch, get drippy, get fly, go to my website, lmnyc.com. Thank you guys so much. Without further ado, let's get right into the review, the unboxing. So we got the inverted colorway of your typical Jordan box, because typically it's all black with the red accents, but this time it's inverted. It's all red with the black accents, and it is a matte box. Also removable lid. So these are the biggest size, which is my size 10.5, and in women it would be a size 12. So Euro 44.5, UK 9.5, centimeters is 29. So the colorway is black, university red and white, and French noir blanc, university rouge. There you go. I always like to practice my French, if you know what I mean. Inside we got that verification that came from Nike, the Nike stamp, and then the swoosh at the bottom. And boom, comes with extra pair of laces. Interesting thing about this pair is that they have aglets at the end, which is like these metal tips of the laces. Pretty cool. And boom, shakalaka, enough talking about the box. Let's just get right into the shoe. Super excited. Thank you guys for joining me, for real. I love you. I appreciate y'all. We here, we outside. No, we're not inside, we're inside. But you guys know the vibes. Boom, that's the shoe. Now, this is the 2023 release. It is not the 2016, I believe, release, because those go for like a lot of money, and those are actually numbered, and they ran full family size. But last year it was just for the women. So yeah, something to keep in mind is that this is all satin finish. Even the inner lining, the sock liner, it is like a satin finish. So it feels very like much more comfortable than your average Jordan 1, as opposed to other Jordans. Gives it more of that luxury feel. And boom, let's just start right with the outsole. All red, bottom outsole. You guys, I don't really have to explain much. This is the bread colorway, the satin finish. The toe cap is different than your average Jordan 1 toe cap because it has perforated holes. This does not have perforated holes. Therefore, it is less breathable than the specific Air Jordan 1. Then we got the white midsole. Nice midsole. Inside we got the air unit encapsulated between that midsole. We work our way up top to the swoosh. The swoosh is red, and then the color boxing is just red and black. Color blocking. Caught myself in that one. We got the embroidery logo. Usually it's like printed or something, but this is embroidery. Very cool, very interesting. I know I mentioned before the laces, but yeah, I find it really cool that it has the aglets, just like we used to get like with the Jordan 7. I believe they had like the aglets, which is the metal tips on the laces. We move our way towards the tongue. The tongue, it is a satin finish as well. All black with the tag Nike Air. And boom, guys, there's the shoe. I do have to say that they feel much more comfortable, but I do get a lot of, I hear negative feedback from people saying that this creases easily. I don't know, I wore these around, like not heavy, but like a little bit, and I don't see much creasing, to be honest, which is pretty cool. I'm sure that over time, if you wear these a lot, they will crease a lot. But I'm sure maybe you can put like a towel over it and maybe iron it, because this is that satin material, which is similar to silk, but we all know this is not silk. This is probably a nylon and wool blend, but still feels pretty good. Another interesting detail, I almost forgot, metal eyelids. These are silver metal eyelids painted black on this side, but if you see the inside, it is silver. The inside, the sole of the shoe, it is all red with the Nike Air check on the heel. And yeah, guys, let me know how you feel about this shoe. It is a women's exclusive. Oh my god, I almost forgot. It came with like this black and red Nike tote bag. I will bring to you guys. I will show you guys at the end of the video, because it's like right there, and I'm not trying to get up there right now. Anyways, boom. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Bada bing, bada boom. I really like it, honestly. I'm actually thinking of keeping it. I was gonna like sell this, but I don't know. What's interesting is that swoosh is not just a flat satin swoosh on the outside of it. We have like that embroidery around that Nike check, which is very interesting, very cool. Once again, women's exclusive, so are a bit more narrow than your average Jordan 1, but still yet more comfortable inside. It just feels more luxurious, and I really think that for the price point, it's not that bad. I know that these didn't sell too good in like smaller sizes, but I know the bigger sizes, they had to go. But yeah, guys, leave me in the comments how you feel about the shoe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your love and your support. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. And if you want to get drippy, get fly, get something for your girl. Come on, man. Stop holding back. Get something for your girl. Go to my website, LMNYC.com. Thank you guys so much. Until the next one. Deuces.